Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this lovely 2017 Infiniti QX30 Sport, a very unique version of the QX30. And the QX30 is kind of a unique Infiniti vehicle as well in its own right, only offered for a couple of years. 2017 is the first model year of the QX30, and then 2019 was the last year. The QX30 was made in conjunction with Mercedes. In fact, mechanically it's largely based off the Mercedes-Benz GLA platform. It costs a lot of money to develop a car, so a lot of times, sometimes car companies will borrow or make deals and share technology, and that's what Infiniti did. So they used the platform from the Mercedes, but Infiniti had their own styling and their own technology towards it. So even though if you parked this next to a GLA, you'd really have to look really closely to see the similarities. They definitely still have very distinctive, unique personalities. And there are plenty of modern day examples of platform sharing. One, I guess more well-known one would be like the new Toyota Supra, which mechanically is basically a BMW Z4, but Toyota adds their own flavor and styling to it. So this QX30 is a subcompact crossover. It's really the only subcompact crossover that Infiniti has really offered in quite a while. You could say the early EX35 was kind of like a subcompact, but this one is a sport model. So it has more car-like design influences. It kind of looks less like a crossover SUV, more like a car. This is a sport model, so you have these really nice sport bucket seats with this nice contrasting two-tone leather. We have a big glass roof panel to allow natural light inside, and you have a power sunshade to dim things down if it gets too bright out. It doesn't open, it's just a glass panel. We have power and heated seats for both the front seats, and memory on both sides as well. Beautiful contrast stitching. We have a dual clutch 7-speed automatic transmission, Mercedes-Benz technology, so you have one clutch for the even gears, one clutch for the odd gears, so it can pre-select the next gear for very smooth and seamless gear changes. It also has a manual shift mode. You have steering wheel pedal shifters here. Nice flat bottom, leather wrap steering wheel. Nice black piano finish. We have a navigation system. We have a rear parking camera as well as a 360-degree around view camera. We have a Bose sound system, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener. This one has 48,191 miles on it. Also, the sport model has aluminum pedals. Really cool color combination. This one's very popular, especially the people with like the rose gold, Apple Watches and stuff like that. It's kind of a similar color. So whenever we get this unique color, this I think we call it liquid copper. These always are very popular. So also the sport model of the QX30, you have this unique wheel and tire package with sportier rubber on them. You have the brake calipers with the Infiniti logo on them. You have the glossy trim around the wheel wells. You also have a little bit more aggressive looking front fascia on the sport model, where the all-wheel drive one has more of an SUV looking front end on it. The only engine available is a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, pumping out a little over 200 horsepower. Mercedes engine. You can find that engine in a wide variety of Mercedes products. It's a workhorse engine from Mercedes, very reliable and efficient engine, also very powerful, with close to 250 pound-feet of torque. And this is a subcompact. Even being a subcompact, you still have a decent amount of rear seat space. Also, a little bit more aggressive rear styling. You have the contrasting colors in the lower part of the bumper for the sport model. Being a liftback, you have a little bit more practicality. You have a cargo pass-through, and of course you can fold down the seats flat. Remove this cargo area cover if you need more space. Beautiful curvaceous body. We have really dramatic body contours on the QX30. If you look at the doors and stuff, at the time, in fact, when this first came out, this had some of the most dramatic body contours in a production automobile. All these little creases and curves, it costs extra money in the production process to add them, but they really wanted to make this car stylish and look good, and I think they definitely achieved that goal. If you're looking for an affordable subcompact luxury hatchback, the QX30 Sport is a great one to consider. You have Mercedes-Benz technology, Infiniti styling, the best of both worlds in one gorgeous, awesome, fun to drive package. Thanks for watching, hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.